to Proper Academy, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to get Instagram followers for free. Now the method I'm going to show you, I don't really recommend using this one if you guys are looking to grow an Instagram account that's organic and that people are going to be active on your videos and posts. The type of followers you're going to get from this are just blank followers that aren't going to be active, but if you're just looking for followers, then this is exactly what you need to do. There's no human verification, no credit cards, none of the other junk that you see on YouTube videos. This is just using the YouTube app, so it's really, really easy, and there's no risk involved. So I'm just going to use my test account here with 11.7K followers, and I'll show you guys that I just tested this out before the video, and I've gotten quite a few followers in the last 5 to 10 minutes here. So it's really simple to do. You guys are just going to head over to your search tab and just search for a popular Instagram page. So I'm just going to use Kylie Jenner as an example here. You just want to follow her account, and then you want to follow a lot of other suggested accounts that have a lot of followers. You just want to follow popular accounts because what happens is it puts you high up in their followers list, and there's accounts on Instagram that literally go to popular pages and follow their following list or followers list. So once you follow them for the first time and you get high up in their list, you're more likely to get followers back from their account. So it's really easy to do. Seems self-explanatory. So you just want to follow a bunch of different accounts, just like this. And let's search Drake as well, another big account. The bigger account, the better, guys. So if it has more followers, then it's better to use. So we use Drake here. There we go. Some musicians will be better. So about 30 accounts, and then you can go check. And you can see there I've gotten just 3 followers just doing that. And I recommend following them for about 5 minutes, just because so much people follow them that after time you go down the list and you're less likely to get followers from them. So you're actually better off going to unfollow them after 5 minutes. But yeah, that's literally as easy as it is, and you can just keep redoing this process. The one thing is, though, I wouldn't do it too often. You will get blocked from Instagram, temporarily blocked, that is. So I wouldn't recommend doing it a ton, but you can do it a couple times a day for sure. Anyways, I really hope this video helped you guys out. If it did, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos similar to this. Thanks for watching.